So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our AUDUSD. So in order for us to be able to predict this market properly, we need to analyze it from the higher time frame. So we are going to do our analysis from the weekly time frame down to our 4-hour time frame and possibly 1-hour time frame. So once again, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button so you will not miss out on any single update. Now and follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now take a look at this movement right here. What can you see the trend? What can you see the trend is on our AUD/USD? You can clearly see that our trend on our AUD/USD is an uptrend move. We are clearly trending to the upside. So market is what giving us a series of higher high and higher low. Market is clearly trending to the upside. It is clearly giving us a bullish move. So this is our impulsive move, right? Which is the first high. Now here comes the higher low, right? This is also another impulsive move, which is the new high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now, this is also another impulsive move, which is a massive high. So market is still pushing up. So this is week one of markets open and closing bullish. This is we can say this is week one of markets open and closing bullish. Week two of it open and closing bullish. This is week three of markets open and closing bullish. This is week 4 of markets open and closing bullish, week 5 of markets opening and closing bullish, and this is week 6 of markets opening and closing bullish. Now on week 7, we will be expecting market to open and close bullish. So whatever you would want to be doing on your AUD/USD, you would want to be going in for the buy. So a bullish move is what you would want to be anticipating for on our AUD/USD. Now let's go down to our daily time frame, guys. So take a look at it. We are having a series of higher high. So this is our high, right? And this is our higher low. This is also the higher high. Here comes the higher low. Now market was able to give us a new high, new higher high. And here comes the higher low, right? Market then push up again to form a new higher high. And now here comes the higher low, right? This is the higher low. Now market has been able to push up again to form a new higher high. And here comes the higher low right here. So now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on AUD/USD will be a new higher high. So a new higher high is what we are going to be anticipating for next. And that new higher high should take out this previous high, thereby forming a new high. So guys, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting next on our AUD/USD. So now let's zoom it in. You can see that we had a multiple rejection at this zone right here. Now let's go down to our 4-hour time frame right here. So this is our 4-hour time frame, and now we'll be expecting a rejection from this zone. So this is one of the reasons why you are seeing a lot of candlestick wick, right? Because market is rejecting from this level multiple times. So with this rejection, we should expect market to push up one more time. So guys, another bullish move, what we are going to be expecting next on AUD/USD. Now, if in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction that we just did, right, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on your updates, all you just need to do is very simple. Click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.